Your obsession with comfort is killing your potential. Every time you avoid friction, you weaken something inside you. Your inner strength doesn't disappear overnight, it just goes dormant. And in 2026, comfort is easier to access than ever, which means resilience is rarer than ever. Look around. Your feed is personalized. Your playlists are curated. Your shopping arrives the same day. Your entertainment predicts what you want before you ask. Algorithms have removed friction from your life so efficiently, you barely struggle with anything voluntary anymore. Convenience feels like progress, but psychologically, it can be atrophy. When everything adjusts to your preferences, you stop adjusting yourself. And that's dangerous, because life still contains friction. Unexpected loss, rejection, failure, pressure. If your daily life contains zero resistance, the smallest real-world obstacle feels overwhelming. It's not that you're weak, it's that you're undertrained. Comfort has become a self-defense mechanism. We scroll instead of think, we distract instead of decide, we wait to feel ready before we act. Here's the myth that's quietly keeping you stuck. I'll start when I feel motivated. Motivation is a spark. Resilience is a muscle, and muscles don't grow in comfort. They grow in resistance. When you voluntarily choose discomfort, something powerful happens. You reclaim authority over yourself. You take the cold shower. You make the difficult call. You train when you're tired. You speak when it's uncomfortable. Not because it feels good, but because it proves something. It proves you can. That proof rewires you. Exhaustion stops feeling like weakness and starts feeling like raw material. Fear stops being a stop sign and becomes a training ground. Avoidance turns into action because you're no longer negotiating with comfort. Deliberate discomfort isn't punishment, it's practice. Practice for the unexpected. Practice for pressure. Practice for becoming someone who does hard things without applause. In a world engineered for ease, choosing friction is rebellion, and rebellion builds strength. So stop waiting for motivation. Engineer your own resistance. One hard choice a day, one uncomfortable action at a time. Because your greatest asset in 2026 is not convenience, it's your capacity to handle what others avoid, and that capacity is built on purpose.